What makes a training platform the one? Choosing the right security awareness platform is like picking the right coach. Here's what matters most: realistic phishing drills. The platform must send fake emails that look exactly like scams, like urgent CEO requests or fake vendor bank changes, and immediately teach why people fell for them or praise those who spot them. Engaging training. It should offer short videos, quizzes, or games that explain BEC tactics clearly without boredom. Customizable and insightful. You need to tailor training messages and track who's learning, who's clicking risky links, and where your weaknesses are. Smooth integration. The platform should connect easily with your email system and security tools. User-friendly, easy to set up for admins, and simple for employees to complete. Always updated. Scams evolve fast, so the training must keep up with fresh content and simulations. Top security awareness platforms for BEC now before. Known for a huge content library and realistic phishing simulations. Great for comprehensive, varied training and detailed reporting. Proofpoint focuses on behavioral science to change employee habits. Targets the most at-risk users with personalized training and real-world phishing simulations. CoFenceFish.me specialists in phishing with hyper-realistic simulations. Empowers employees to report suspicious emails easily, turning them into active defenders. Terranova Security offers highly customizable, human-centered training. Perfect for global teams needing tailored learning paths. SANS Security Awareness provides authoritative, expert-level content rooted in deep cybersecurity knowledge. Ideal for technical teams seeking strong foundational training. How to choose. No platform fits all. Pick KnowBe4 for broad content, Proofpoint for behavior-driven results, CoFence for phishing focus, Terranova for customization, and SANS for expert-level depth. Best practices for success: customized training by department. Use varied phishing drills regularly to keep staff alert. Track results to focus on weak spots. Keep content updated with the latest scam trends. Get leadership involved to boost engagement. Praise employees who report suspicious emails to encourage reporting. Your team is your last and most important defense against BEC. A smart training platform empowers them to recognize and stop attacks before damage happens. Now, if you're ready to strengthen your cybersecurity skills and protect yourself online, I have a free resource for you. Download our free security checklist at Tileris.com. It's packed with simple, actionable steps to help you stay safe and build your knowledge. Want more personalized help? You can request a free consultation with our cybersecurity experts. Or if you're curious how Tileris works in real time, request a demo to see how Tileris AI agents work. Now let's get back to the business of the day. What is the most critical feature in a BEC training platform? Realistic phishing drills that mimic real scams provide hands-on practice to spot threats safely. Why is employee training the last line of defense against BEC? Because BEC exploits human trust, not just tech gaps. Your employees' ability to detect and report scams is vital. How often should training happen? Regularly, quarterly, or at least twice a year to stay ahead of evolving scams. Which platform is best? It depends on your needs. Consider content breadth, behavior focus, phishing specialization, customization, or expert depth. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.